Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento tools. Today we are going to learn how to add the customer billing address and shipping address to the customer created in the previous video. We have created the customers via CS3 in the previous one. Now we are going to do with the customer, add the billing address to them or the shipping address to them in their address book. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So let me do the one settings. Okay, so here you can see, if I here you can see that the customer test 456, they don't have the address part, right? If I go over here, the CSV, which customer 456, so here you can see that the 4 5 and 6, they don't have the address part, the country and the zip code. Now we are going to assign the address to them. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. So here we have the code. Okay, so here let's open it. So this we don't require it, and this part we also don't require, only we require this one. Okay, so here one error is coming, so let's remove that error. Okay, so now here you can see we have the billing address. So we are using the customer modal. Okay, so here we are just get the customer ID of that one, and the billing address we are setting up over here. Okay, so let's try to run and check. So here we have to go and just run this one. What error they are getting in? Does interceptor, that means compile we have to run. Next step is deploy. Then we will add the permissions to them. So let's add this one. Okay, so let's check the address is added to the customers or not. Reload this one. It's impossible to process the constructor. Let's make the permission. Okay, so let's reload this. Now you can see the customer 6. Here you can see the customers 4, 5 and 6. They all have the billing address and the shipping address. Let's try to open it and check any of them. Now here account information is their addresses. So you can see that the billing address and the shipping address both are added. Okay, you can see that, right? The default billing address, default shipping address. So we have set successfully the shipping address and the billing address into their address info, right? So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.